How to download the code from Lovable AI. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. So basically you have two different methods. The first one is going to be downloading each individual file code one by one, so you can just open any of them and you simply just want to click on download, which could take you a while if you have a lot. So if, for example, if I just click on this one, I need to download this one separately from the previous one and so on. So this is the first way to do so, which I do not recommend. What I recommend you to do instead is just connect your Lovable account with GitHub. This way it's just going to sync everything, and any updates that you do with Lovable is just going to transfer to GitHub automatically. So in order to do so, you just want to open up your Lovable and just click on this little plus icon right underneath the chat and click on GitHub. From here you simply just want to click on add connection and add account. This is going to be where you will basically just log into your GitHub account and basically authorize the connection. They're going to ask you for a few basically access points. You just want to give them permission, and it's just going to be connected from there. Now, whatever you do, whatever project that you work on in Lovable is just going to transfer to GitHub right away. Then after you actually connect your GitHub with Lovable, which by the way, you can create a GitHub account for free. So once you do that, you simply just want to go to github.com, log into your account and go to your repositories. And you simply just want to select the project that you want the code for, which in my case is this one. And you simply just want to download it as a zip file from here. You simply click on code and download zip. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.